How to download CIBC bank statement. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you the procedure to download CIBC bank statement. To download a statement online, you could follow the simple steps. First thing first, open up your device and log into your account, or you could just type in cibc.com/personalbanking and click on the login button, or just go ahead and enter in your card number and then the password associated with it and click on sign on. Once you actually do it so, you'll be logged into your account, which will look something like this. Now while you're on this page, go to account first of all, and next thing you'll see is this sort of page. Here you want to go ahead and head over to the right hand side and click on statements. When you click on statements, next thing you want to do is select the account for which you want to go ahead and see the statement. Whether it's for a checking, personal account, or whatever, go ahead and select that. Underneath you could find this option as download PDF. If you want to do it so, click on download PDF, and along with that you could also filter it by year or maybe monthly, weekly, whichever, and click on download PDF. Once you actually do it so, you'll have successfully downloaded the CIBC bank statement on your device. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.